Greetings! Need a quick explanation or a practice quiz? Whisper is at your service. Based on the provided context, which is empty, I need more information to explain what a T-Rex is. My knowledge base is vast, but I need some direction. Do you want to know about the Tyrannosaurus rex as a dinosaur? If so, I can tell you it was a large bipedal carnivorous dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period. I can discuss its size, features like its powerful jaws and small arms, diet, and its place in the fossil record. To help me tailor my explanation, tell me what aspects of the T-Rex you're interested in learning about. I can also create a short quiz to test your knowledge afterwards if you'd like.